Hey everyone, welcome back to Shreya Coder. Today we are going to talk about data types in Python. If you are learning to code, understanding data types is super important. They tell Python what kind of data we are working with. So in this video, I'll walk you through each data type in Python step by step. Let's get started. What are data types? Think of it as labels which Python uses to handle the given data. For example, here the number x is equals to 10 and the text type hello are taken as two different data types. As in Python, we take numbers a different data types and text type as a different data type. And we don't have to tell Python which data type we are using here. It knows it on its own, and this is called dynamic typing. To check if what type of data type is this, we will write type function and simply put x in it. So you can see x is with the integer data type, then print y and same for print z. And so we have used three data types here: integer values, float values and string data type. So float values are decimal numbers and string is text type data. So let's go and learn them in detail. So first we have integers. What are integers? Integers are whole numbers, negative or positive. So we have x is equals to 12 as a positive integer and y is equals to minus negative 19 as a negative integer. And let's print them. Print x. So these are integers. Even Python can handle big integers also. For example, we write 9999999 and then we'll return print you can see it will still considered as an integer. You can see class integer. Then basically integers are used when we have to count something or do simple maths. Let's try some simple maths using integer. So we reassign x is equals to 15 and y is equals to 40. Let's add them first. You can see 29. Addition is done. Then we'll do subtraction. Here you have the answer. Then we'll multiply. And you remember in my shorts video I told you that to multiply in Python or in any coding languages we use asterisk to multiply. So you see it's multiplied. And for division, what we use forward slash for division. So here it is, we use forward slash and I will say period. So you can see with using integers we can simply print integers. We can also use big integers and it is still counted as integer class. Then we can add, subtract, multiply, divide and we can also perform different operations on integer. So now we have floats with us. Floats are the decimal values which are used when we need more accuracy, like in money and measurement. For example, now I have taken a is equals to 5.5 and b is equals to 3.5. If you want to perform operations like addition, subtraction, you can do it here also. And actually we have added here. You can try more. And just remember that every exact value cannot be there in decimal numbers because computer cannot store every decimal values. So now we have complex numbers with us. What are complex numbers? Complex numbers are the numbers which includes a real part and an imaginary part. For means 3 is the real part here and 4j is the imaginary part. And now let's print them out. Print using z.real and z.imaginary. So you can see the output, and this is not that much important for this. This is only used in scientific computing, so we will not go deep in this. So now let's talk about strings. What are strings? Strings are the text type data. Like here I have written greet is equals to hello world. What does this mean? This is a string data type. Like we have written hello world here. When we will print this, print greet. So it will print hello world, and it is written in double quotes to indicate Python that we are using string here. Okay, and we can make changes in strings also. Like if you want to print only first letter of the string, you can print like print greet, then square brackets, and 0 has index. First letter has index 0, so we'll print that. So it prints H. And if you want to convert this to lowercase, means all small letters, so we will print like greet dot lower and function bracket, then it will print hello. So this was all about strings. So next we are up to sequence type data types. So this is sequence type which includes list and tuple. So first we'll do list. List. What are lists? List is a collection of data types. Like you can add numbers, you can add strings, or even another list is added in list. Like you can add another list in it. For example, here I have written a list fruits. Now I'll print this list first. It's like that. If you want to print only any specific value, like I want to print second value, so I'll write 1 index and print. Then I want to add something in this list, then I'll use append function, like with curve, brackets, and orange. Okay, so let's print this print and fruits. So it's added orange here. And to remember one thing, that lists are always created in square brackets using quotes. So that's it for the list. And next we go to tuples. What are tuples? Tuples are also the collection of different types of data, but here the problem is that we cannot change once the tuple is created. In list we can change the values once the list is created, but after a tuple is created we cannot change anything in it. Like I am creating it tuple and square, it is created in square brackets, list is created in square brackets, and tuple is created in curly brackets. So I have created it, but if you want to change it, like if we will remove something, I want to remove one, so I can't remove, like we used it, so I'll try to show you. It will give us an error. See, it's giving us an error. Tuple object has no attribute. Remove means we cannot remove anything from tuple, or we cannot add anything in tuple if a tuple is created. So this is all about list and tuples. We'll discuss them in detail in a new video where it will be the only topic list and tuple. Okay. So next we move on to dictionaries. What are dictionaries? Dictionaries are also there to store data. It is a mapping data type which is used for storing key value pairs. For example, like here I have taken a dictionary named student. So here name is the key and Shreya is the value, means key value pairs. So name, key and Shreya is the value. These are the pairs that are created in dictionaries, and we can change anything in dictionaries we want to. And we'll print this first, print. And if you want only name, you can only print name. But we'll print the whole dictionary first. So the dictionary is printed, and if you want to change anything in it, we can do it. And we make dictionaries in curly brackets, and that's it about dictionaries. We'll discuss them in a long video. In another video, there will be separate video for all the data types like list, tuple, sets, dictionaries, and all. And that's it. We have covered most of the topics of data types in this video, and the leftover we will cover in our next video. I hope you all have understood. Until then, keep practicing and you will be coding like a pro in few months. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Until then, happy coding. Bye bye.